working with Korg synthesizers and got a KMP Keymap file. This contains keyboard mapping data for Korg Trinity and Triton workstations. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to use these Korg Keymap files. Just a reminder, the whole point of the final segment is to show you the efficiency of using one specialized KMP file analysis tool that eliminates the need for dozens of format-specific utilities. Users with taught KMP files are typically musicians or producers working with Korg Trinity or Triton series synthesizers. They need to load these files onto their hardware or into software emulators to access custom sound banks, instrument mappings, and sample configurations for their music production projects. The taught KMP format is a proprietary binary structure designed by Korg. It contains data that maps digital samples to specific keys on a keyboard, including crucial parameters like pitch, velocity layers, and looping points. This design ensures fast, low-latency loading by the synthesizer's hardware sound engine. Guaranteed access to KMP files is typically achieved using Korg Trinity Triton synthesizers from Korg Inc. The file requires external codec support that Windows does not provide natively. Windows can preview audio content easily, but full production work requires dedicated audio tools. Your most vital first action is the file association test. Right-click the KMP file and choose Open With. If Korg Trinity or Triton synthesizers is on your machine, test it. If not, choose another program. We must find the correct software. If you still can't open the KMP file, it's okay. Because the KMP format is often tied to niche applications, we must check the foundation. Let's go through our quick verification list now. First, loading on Korg Workstation. Transfer KMP files to your Korg Trinity or Triton workstation using a floppy disk, SSI drive, or compatible storage media. Load the keymap through the workstation's multi-sample edit menu or sample management interface. The keyboard mappings become available for use in programs and combinations within the workstation's sound architecture. Next, using Korg Editor software. Use Korg's Editor software for Trinity or Triton to manage KMP files on your computer before transferring to the workstation. The editor provides graphical keyboard mapping displays and parameter editing capabilities. Korg also offered USB MIDI sample management tools facilitating modern workflow integration with Korg legacy hardware. Finally, converting to modern formats. Convert KMP keymaps to modern sampler formats like SoundFont SF2 Contact NKI or Decent Sampler using third-party conversion tools. Wave Studio CD Extract and similar utilities can read KMP files and recreate the keyboard mappings in contemporary sampler formats for use with software samplers in modern DAW environments. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.